Number 8.
Shani. Shani is ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, they are like kind of ruled by karma. So it depends on number 8 people. It's like both ways. Sometimes you'll see extremely successful people. Okay. Number 8.
Okay.
Sometimes you'll see it going very, very bad for them. Like even our Facebook was ruled by number 8, was ruled by Shani.
Oh yeah.
So see, it gave him exalted growth, but he changed it to Meta.
Oh.
Lot of company names who are ruled by number 8 slowly are looking at shifting their brand names. ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೇಮ್, ಕಂಪನಿ ನೇಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂಮರಾಲಜಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ರೂಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಲೈಕ್ you like lot of these now new companies, resorts, restaurants, lot of them actually have a numerology name. Sometimes you'll find these funny names, no brand names, it's because of numerology, because they want to keep a unique looking name, they want to keep a lucky name, but at the same time they don't want it to look like a numerology change.
Correct.
They want a smart name, like something which looks so unique that
because
you don't know.
Because they integrate in such a way that people should not like, they should not feel like onthara very weird agide antara.
Enidu hesru like that.
Hesringide anta.
Yeah, so I've done a lot of brand names according to numerology. Without making it look weird. So number 8 people ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಅವ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. They are also very much ruled by the lords of karma. So number 8 people should live a very disciplined life. They should follow the right path. Okay. If they do anything ulta, see that comes back crazy. It's like 3x, it will come back very, very fatafat for them. Avru success avrige bekandre they should follow certain discipline. Like Shani likes discipline. Shani likes you to follow a certain, protocol, certain path, certain, there's certain things you should do and you shouldn't do. There are some do's and don'ts.
Usually people say that this is like this one. 6 will never get along with 4 and 8. Is it true? Not really.
See, again, like I said, because there are another number, along with it. So it's not completely true.
It's not
like I have friends who are number 6. I'm a number 4. So not really true. But yeah, there are some numbers that clash with others numbers.
Yeah.
But not usually in getting along. I feel that astrology is more powerful in that aspect.
Number 9.
But number 8 is also like such a powerful number. Like this year was ruled by number 8. 2024 was number 8. Eshton janage, they have had like a washout. Like, so many things have surfaced for them. Olgade adu, which is buried, no? All the skeletons come out of the closet. Like Shani reveals the truth, basically.
Oh yeah, no, correct.
Shani makes you see the truth, and it's like the bitter truth. It makes you realize a lot of things. It makes you grow. It makes you evolve. It makes you shed a lot of the old things. Shani is very, very powerful, but it's like it's like a subject by itself. We have to see more interactions when we see a person ruled by Shani. Sometimes a person ruled by Shani could also have a very teda mind.
Very true.
And sometimes they could be extremely spiritual on the other side.
Yeah.
Like, it's like you can't say. You have to really study a person deeply with that. So Shani people should get name correction, must and should, because they need to override this. See, even if Shani gives you success, you go and become friends with some thug, gunda. Aur nimge tumba ella favors ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು take this, but at the end of it, there might be a price to pay, no? There might be some trouble that will come, no? So you got to be little careful.
She's not mentioning the names, but she's mentioning on the context.
Yes.
I understand.
So Shani is like that.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.